Yeah, hello guys, this is Humble FX. So today I'm talking about this exchange, this wallet. Okay, so this is a Super Super X wallet. It's like Binance, where you sell, where you trade coins, right? Is very good. So what do we do here? The link is on this video description. Once you create you come you click on the link, it will take you to this place. You put in your email, your password, you click on this particular icon here and you click on register, right? So if you register, you will get $10. And guess what? The trading starts will start by 30th of this month. So you will start to use your $10 free money to trade by the 30th of this month. So they have sent me a code, so let me go get my code. So I've got my code. I'll click on submit. Now this is it. It has registered. So I'll now go and download the app from Play Store or APK. Let me download the Play Store application. And this is it. I will install it. If you install it, you just log into it from your phone. That. Guys, see the reviews here. See the reviews, guys. See the reviews. See this kind of review. This is amazing. So don't just join now. See the review here. Join now and get your $10, right? Join now and get your see the reviews, guys. It's very simple. People are giving it very nice review. So it is a nice uh trading software, sorry, trading app like Binance. Okay, like Binance, we can trade any coin in this exchange. Is new, but it's already making waves. So don't miss out of it. And remember, first entries get $10 as a welcome bonus for free, and you can trade with it. So let us open the app and then log into our account with the details we just use to register on the internet. This is going to be like this is like Binance. As you see, it's just like Binance app. So come here as you come to this point and click on register, right? Click on register or login. Already we have our login details already. So I'll put in my login details right here. So let me put my login details. So this is my email address. Put in your password. So now that's my password. I'll click on login. They will now have to do a intelligent check. So we have to wait for it to check finish before we continue. So at this point, you just have to drag this thing to this point. Okay, let's drag it like this to fit in that place, and you leave it. It will confirm itself and log you into the account. Now this is it, guys. We have successfully logged in. So this is the template. Don't you see it look like Binance, right? Like this, you can see here, you are done, right? You have your home, market, everything's are here. These are wallets, everything. This is it, guys. That is how simple it is. So if you want to trade, here is where you trade. Though trading is not yet activated until 30th of this month. So you can create wallet here. You can create your wallet and you click on terms and condition, accepted, click on confirm. Okay, now this is the name. Here you want to create your wallet name. Here you want to create your wallet wallet name. You type in your name you want to put in here, password, confirm password, and you create. So let me type my wallet name. I'll just type in here humble effect, something like that. Password, I'll post it. So now I've done this. The next I'll click on create. He say I can backup tips. Maybe I can back up for future in case I lost my account. I can back up. No screenshots. Okay, you cannot screenshot anything. Have back up your phrase. This is your account. This is your profile. So you can actually come to profile. Here, this is my $10 already. You can see here I have my $10 right here. Look at it here. That is my $10 gotten. So far so good. I have my $10. So you get your link and register, then get your $10 as well. If you refer someone, you also get $10. So if you refer someone, two of you get $10 right away. So this is how it works. So don't miss out. Remember, this thing will start 30th. That is when it will all get started on the 30th, so you don't want to miss out.